With the Copa America, Euros, and the Wimbledon recently concluded, and with the Olympics just a couple of days away on 22nd July, there is a lot of excitement for sports. But today, let me tell you about three people, namely Devendra Jhajharia, Mariyappan Thangavelu, and Dilraj Kaur. ये नाम कभी सुने हैं? इन लोगों का नाम जान के मैं क्या करूं? Mariyappan Thangavelu must be some South Indian techie working in big tech. Devendra Jhajharia must be some trader or businessman. Dilraj Kaur, some women rights activists maybe? पर आपने साइना नेहवाल या अभिनव बिंद्रा जैसे नाम तो सुने ही होंगे, तो आज इनके बारे में भी थोड़ा सा जान लीजिए.
These people are not techies or activists. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
They are world-class athletes. They are champions. They are the Paralympians. These athletes have represented India at the very highest level. They have won numerous medals and have brought glory to our country.
Mariyappan Thangavelu hit the headlines in India when he won Paralympic gold in the men's high jump T42 at Rio 2016, his first ever Paralympic game. Encouraged to take up sport by his physical education teacher, Thangavelu got into athletics while he was at school in Tamil Nadu. The 22-year-old was awarded the Padma Shri in 2017 and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 2020.
Devendra Jhajharia is the only Indian Paralympian to win 2 medals at the Games, winning the javelin throw in the F46 category in Athens in 2004 and Rio in 2016. He was awarded with the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 2017, FICCI Para Sportsperson of the Year in 2014 and Padma Shri in 2012. He is one of the most honoured Paralympians.
In a span of 15 years, Dilraj Kaur won 28 gold, 5 silver and 6 bronze medals, including the World Games of 2007 in Taiwan and 2015 in Bangalore. Having represented India in the International Paralympic World Cup, she was once recognized as the best para-air pistol shooter in India. अब तक आपको ये पता था क्या? इतना जीके तो आजकल सिर्फ गूगल का होता है. लेकिन क्या ये शर्म की बात नहीं कि इन टॉप क्लास पैरालंपियंस के बारे में हमें कुछ भी पता नहीं? सोचने की बात है ना? Do these sportsmen command the same respect as PV Sindhu or Virat Kohli? No. This is evident in the way that their social media accounts are not even verified. Is that not sad? These people should first and foremost be applauded for taking part in the games, overcoming their physical disabilities. मेडल जीतने के बाद भी हम इन लोगों के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानते. कभी सोचा है इन एथलीट्स को कैसा लगता होगा? ये सारा तो फ्लैशबैक था. ये लोग आज क्या करते हैं?
While Jhajharia and Thangavelu lived their lives in obscurity, Dilraj Kaur was not so fortunate. This pandemic wreaked havoc in her life. Kaur and her mother are now forced to sell biscuits, chips and other eateries outside Gandhi Park in Dehradun. However, things are not all that bleak. Devendra Jhajharia recently broke the world record for the 3rd time. Thangavelu was named the flag bearer for the Paralympic contingent and many a good Samaritan came to help Dilraj.
हम इन एथलीट्स को उनके हक का सम्मान देने के लिए इंस्टाग्राम या फेसबुक पे उन्हें फॉलो कर सकते हैं. उनकी कहानियों के बारे में जानने के लिए उन्हें अपने जीके क्लास में शामिल कर सकते हैं. Don't pity them or give them sympathy, but instead take inspiration from them and be encouraged to overcome any struggle you might have with grit and determination.
Here, we have highlighted just 3 athletes, but there are many more who do not get the recognition which they rightfully deserve. For this reason, we will be highlighting these inspiring heroes of our country in our Trailblazers segment on Instagram and Facebook, so stay tuned. Also, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Please share this video with everyone if you feel this is important. We are the Indian Gen Z signing out.